Welcome to Series 1 of our data analysis journeys. Today, we're going to walk through the essential workflow that will guide you from the initial business question all the way to actionable insights. No matter what type of analysis you're conducting, this workflow ensures you stay on track and deliver impactful results. Think of the data analysis workflow as your roadmap. It's designed to guide you through each step, helping you understand the problem, analyze it effectively, and deliver clear, actionable insights. Let's break down the key stages. 1. Understand the business case. This is where you define the problem you're solving and align your analysis with business goals. By understanding the bigger picture, you ensure your work is relevant and impactful. 2. Build a measurement plan. A well-structured plan helps you identify what success looks like. It involves selecting the right metrics to track and ensuring that your analysis is focused on delivering real business value. 3. Collect and prepare the data. Data preparation is crucial. Here, you gather the necessary data, clean it, and ensure it's ready for analysis. Quality data is the foundation of quality analysis. 4. Understand the data. Before diving into the numbers, take time to understand the data's context. Knowing what each piece of data represents will help you conduct more accurate and meaningful analysis. 5. Analyze and visualize the data. This is where you turn data into insights. Using visual tools, you can uncover patterns, trends, and correlations that help you tell a compelling story with your data. 6. Develop data-driven insights. The goal is not just to analyze but to provide actionable insights. Your findings should guide decision-making and contribute to achieving business goals. 7. Measure, test, and optimize. After implementing your recommendations, it's essential to measure their impact. Continuous testing and optimization ensure that your strategies remain effective over time. Each stage is vital to ensure your analysis is both accurate and impactful. Let's explore them one by one. Understand the business case. Before you dive into any data, take a step back and think like a business owner. What's the problem you're trying to solve? Who are the key players involved, and how does your work fit into the broader business goals? Imagine you're working with a retail company that wants to increase its sales. Your first step is to understand their goals. Maybe they want to boost revenue by 15% or improve customer retention. Whatever the case, aligning your analysis with these objectives is crucial. Ask yourself, what specific outcomes am I trying to impact? For example, increasing revenue, reducing costs, or improving customer satisfaction. Who are the key stakeholders, and how will this analysis help them? Maybe it's the sales team or the marketing department looking for insights. How does this analysis fit into the overall strategy? Your findings should support the company's larger goals. Build a measurement plan. Next, it's time to define success. What metrics will you use to measure your progress? A well-thought-out measurement plan is your guide to staying focused and on track. For our retail company, if the goal is to boost sales, your measurement plan might include metrics like total revenue, conversion rates, or customer satisfaction scores. Think about, what does success look like in this context? Is it a specific sales increase or a reduction in customer churn? Which metrics will help you quantify success? Key performance indicators, KPIs, like sales revenue, average order value, or customer feedback. What data will you need to track these metrics? You might need sales reports, customer surveys, or marketing performance data. Collect and prepare the data. Your analysis is only as strong as the data behind it. This stage is all about gathering, cleaning, and organizing your data to ensure it's reliable and ready for analysis. In our retail example, you might pull data from sales records, customer feedback, and marketing reports. But before diving in, make sure everything is clean and consistent. Ask yourself, where is my data coming from, and how can I access it? Is it stored in a database, a spreadsheet, or maybe a CRM system? Are there any quality issues that need to be addressed? Look out for missing values, duplicates, or inconsistent data. Do I need to transform or model the data before analysis? Maybe you need to filter, aggregate, or clean the data to make it usable. Understand the data. Now that your data is ready, take some time to truly understand it. This means knowing what each piece of data represents and how it fits into the bigger picture of your analysis. For example, if you're working with sales data, make sure you understand what each record represents, whether it's an individual transaction, a daily total, or something else. Consider, what does each record in my dataset represent? Is it a single purchase, a customer interaction, or something else? Which fields are most relevant to my analysis? Focus on key variables like sales amount, customer demographics, or product categories. Are there any industry-specific details I need to consider? For instance, in retail, you might need to account for seasonal trends or promotional periods. Analyze and visualize the data. Now it's time to get into the heart of the analysis. Data visualization is a powerful tool. It helps you turn raw numbers into stories that people can easily understand and act upon. For our retail company, you might create visualizations that show sales trends over time, compare performance across different regions, or highlight the effectiveness of specific promotions. Keep in mind, what kind of data are you working with, and how do you want to present it? Is it time series data, categorical data, or something else? What trends or patterns are you looking to highlight? Are you showing growth, comparisons, or identifying outliers? Who is the audience for your visuals? Tailor your presentation to meet the needs of the decision-makers. Develop data-driven insights. Analysis isn't just about crunching numbers, it's about drawing conclusions that lead to real-world actions. Your insights should be clear, actionable, and tied directly to the business objectives. If your analysis reveals that a particular product category is underperforming, your insight might be to recommend targeted promotions or changes in marketing strategy. Ask yourself, what are the key takeaways from this data? Are there opportunities for improvement, or areas of concern? How can these insights lead to actionable changes? Think about how your recommendations can drive results. How will you present these insights to stakeholders? Make sure your conclusions are easy to understand and compelling. Measure, test, and optimize. Once your recommendations are implemented, your job isn't over. It's important to track the outcomes, measure their success, and look for ways to improve further. After launching a new marketing campaign based on your analysis, measure the results. Did sales increase as expected? If not, consider adjusting your approach and testing new strategies. Reflect on, did your recommendations achieve the desired outcomes? Measure the impact on your KPIs and compare it to your targets. What value did this analysis bring to the business? Quantify the impact, whether it's increased revenue, improved efficiency, or something else. Can this analysis guide future optimizations? Use your findings to continue refining and improving the process. Summarizing the workflow. To wrap up, this workflow is your key to successful data analysis. It's a structured approach that ensures you stay aligned with business goals, deliver meaningful insights, and continuously improve your strategies. By understanding the business case, building a solid measurement plan, and analyzing your data effectively, you can drive real, measurable outcomes. Remember, data analysis isn't just about the numbers, it's about making a tangible impact on your businesses. And that's a wrap for Series 1 of our data analysis workflow. We've covered everything from understanding the business case to measuring and optimizing your results. Stay tuned for our next session, where we'll dive deeper into building a measurement plan. Don't forget to subscribe and join us on this journey to mastering data analysis. Thanks for watching.